Are you tired of basic, uninspired art? Do you want to create something truly unique and breathtaking? Look no further than MidJourney, an AI-powered art generator that will take your creativity to the next level. But this isn't just any ordinary tool for artists and designers. It's a groundbreaking technology that allows you to tap into your imagination and create stunning works of art that go beyond what you thought was possible. In this video, we'll show you how to use MidJourney to unleash your creativity and take your art to the next level. Hello and welcome back to Techie Maniac. Artificial intelligence has now made it possible for us to create stunning images with just one click of a button. MidJourney, an AI-powered image generator that brings more imagination into your life. Whether you're a creator or designer, this AI tool will help you step up your game and create art that no one has ever seen before. With its advanced algorithms and intuitive interface, you'll be able to create stunning, high-quality images that will leave your audience in awe. We'll show you how to get started from setting up your account to generating your first image. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting into creating art, MidJourney is the perfect tool for you. MidJourney is an AI-powered generator that allows users to generate unique and personalized images based on written prompts. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to create high-quality images that are not only visually appealing, but also closely aligned with the user's input. This makes it an ideal tool for artists, designers, and anyone looking to add some creativity to their work. Its intuitive interface combined with its sophisticated AI technology makes it an excellent choice for those who want to experiment with AI-generated artwork or explore new creative avenues. In today's world, creativity and imagination are becoming increasingly valuable. That's where MidJourney comes in. Founded in 2018, it has quickly become a go-to tool for artists, designers, and creatives looking to push the boundaries of their creativity. By leveraging the power of advanced algorithms, natural language processing, and deep learning technology, MidJourney can generate images that are genuinely one of a kind. With MidJourney, users can input a simple text prompt, and within seconds, the tool will generate a fully formed, high-quality image. From there, users can quickly refine the image, tweaking various settings to achieve the desired aesthetic. This incredible AI tool offers a wide range of customization options, including the ability to adjust color schemes, add or remove objects, and even change the overall style of the image. This high level of control ensures that the generated images are tailored to the user's specific needs and preferences. However, MidJourney is not just for professional artists and designers. Anyone can use the tool, regardless of their skill level or experience. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, MidJourney offers a unique and powerful way to unlock creativity and bring your ideas to life. It's estimated that over 1 million people around the world have been using MidJourney to generate art, and one of the images generated by the AI actually won a prize at the Chicago State Fair in 2022. So whether you're looking to create stunning visuals for your next project or simply want to explore the limits of your creativity, this is the tool for you. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful AI technology, MidJourney is the ultimate creative tool for the modern world. The first of which is that the tool only offers up to 25 prompts for free. After using up your free prompt, you can choose one of the subscription plans to continue using the tool. There are 3 subscription plans ranging from $10 to $60. Another aspect is that there are a few rules set in the server for users to follow. Take the time to read the rules before using MidJourney, as any violation of the guidelines will result in a ban from the service. To start off, you need to make sure you have a Discord account. MidJourney works entirely through Discord, so you're going to need an account on there to be able to use the AI. If you already have one, you could easily visit the MidJourney website and choose to join the beta, which will automatically take you to Discord, where you'll need to accept the invite. After creating your account, you'll be taken to the MidJourney dashboard, which is where you'll finally create your prompts and generate images. You should go into one of the channels and click on the text box. The AI will provide you with a few examples of prompts to choose from, and you could even type in your own. Your prompt can be anything from a simple sentence to a more detailed paragraph, and the AI will generate it no matter what it is. After entering your prompt and clicking the Generate button, MidJourney will begin to analyze your prompt and generate an image based on the text. Once the image is ready, you'll be able to preview it on the dashboard, and if you're happy with it, you can download it to your device. However, if you're not satisfied with the image, you can refine it by adjusting the various settings found on the dashboard. Some of these settings include color, style, and complexity. By adjusting these settings, you'll be able to alter the image and create one that is more to your liking. The last step is to download the image onto your device once you're satisfied with it. MidJourney allows you to download your images in various formats, including JPEG and PNG. Previous users have provided a few tips for using MidJourney. The first tip is to be specific when creating your prompts. If you write a prompt with little to no details, you might be disappointed with the results. The more specific your prompt is, the more detailed and accurate your generated image will be. Another tip is to experiment with different styles. MidJourney offers various styles of art, including abstract, realistic, and surreal. It is highly recommended that you experiment with the different styles available to find out which one works best for your prompts. Finally, you should always customize the output. Customizing the generated image in terms of adjusting the colors, contrast, and saturation will help you create a more unique, personalized image. While there are other AI art tools currently available, MidJourney has been able to differentiate itself in several ways. One key advantage of MidJourney is its ability to generate complex, multi-layered images that tell a story or convey a specific mood or emotion. This is in contrast to other AI art tools that tend to generate more simplistic, abstract images. For example, MidJourney's text-to-image feature allows users to input written descriptions and generate a corresponding image, which can be useful for creating book covers or visual representations of written works. MidJourney also offers users a high degree of control and customization. Users can easily adjust various parameters such as the size of the generated image, the level of detail, and its color scheme. Having this level of control allows users to fine-tune their results to achieve the exact look and feel they desire. The AI tool is easily accessible, unlike other AI art tools. The tool is available online and does not require any programming or technical skills to use. Other AI art tools usually require a higher level of technical expertise or specialized hardware, which makes them much less accessible to the average user. To sum things up, MidJourney is an incredibly powerful tool that uses AI to create stunning visual art. With its ease of use and flexibility, MidJourney has been able to set itself apart from other AI art generators on the market. Unlike other tools that rely mainly on pre-existing datasets, this tool allows users to create their own datasets, resulting in more personalized and diverse artwork. Its sophisticated algorithms and advanced features make it a top choice for artists, designers, and anyone looking to explore the possibilities of AI-generated art. MidJourney offers a user-friendly platform that enables you to create stunning visuals and allows you to push the boundaries of creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, you're sure to enjoy these. Make sure to comment with your thoughts and let us know what you learned about MidJourney. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.